Weeks of torrential monsoon rains, widespread flooding, and deadly landslides in Assam have affected lakhs of families this year. Cachar district in southern Assam is among the worst hit by the second wave of floods this year. Over 1 lakh children are currently estimated to be impacted due to the deluge, which has not only washed away their homes and properties, but also their study material. GC College in Silchar has been home to 18-year-old Rajesh and his family members for over 2 weeks now. He is worried that all his books may have been washed away by the floods.
पानी जो ऊपर से चला गया था घर के छत से ऊपर के से, इसलिए हमारा बहुत नुकसान हो गया था। मेरा बुक वगैरह सब मतलब भीग गया है, ख़राब हो गया है, पता नहीं अभी मिलेगा कि नहीं। अब स्कूल का भी मैं ट्यूशन भी जाता था, अभी हो गया पानी की वजह से पढ़ाई में भी लॉस हो रहा है।
Thousands of students like Rajesh have been affected by the floods that swept the district twice in June alone. As per the Cachar administration, around 13,000 children are residing in relief camps due to the flood situation, with the highest in the Silchar revenue circle. Several areas in the district are still reeling under flood water. According to Cachar District Disaster Management Authority, about 3,55,000 people in 126 villages are still affected by the flood waters. Meanwhile, the Assam government's announcement of providing a one-time financial aid of 1,000 rupees to all the children who lost their textbooks in the flood has come as a relief. The assistance will be provided to all students, including those pursuing their graduation. Cachar has always been vulnerable to recurring floods due to the Barak going in spate due to heavy rains upstream. As per reports, the district witnessed devastating floods in 1929, 1966, 1985, 1989, 1991 and 2004.
Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to EastMojo. For any queries, put them down in the comments section below and press on the bell icon for notifications.